Hi, in this e-learning and teaching process, we all have come across so many apps which are useful to us. I also came across one such app, and that is Google Voice. I'll show you a step-by-step guide how it will be helpful to you in e-teaching learning process. So you have to first click on Google Chrome browser, then we have to select Google Drive. After clicking on Google Drive, you have to select Google Docs. It is more preferable that you create a new Google document to learn this new voice typing command. Now in the menu bar, I have come to Tools menu. From Tools menu, you have to select Voice typing command. After clicking on voice typing command, if I want to make the font's size increase, I have selected the language English. Now I'll click on the microphone to speak English, and the language English will be written on this Google new document. Technology encourages individual learning. Now let us try any another language. I select language Gujarati. I have selected the language Gujarati. Again I have to click on the microphone and my voice will start. It will recognize my voice and start typing in Gujarati. ટેકનોલોજી ના ઉપયોગથી વ્યક્તિગત શિક્ષણને પ્રોત્સાહન આપી શકાય છે. Now let us try one more another language. I have selected the language Hindi. टेक्नोलॉजी के उपयोग से व्यक्तिगत विकास हो सकता है. We have seen in English, in Gujarati and Hindi. Now let us try one more another language. Let us say Marathi. I have selected the language Marathi. I'll click on the microphone. टेक्नोलॉजीच्या उपयोगाना व्यक्तिगत शिक्षणाला प्रोत्साहन मिळेल. So we have created, by using the voice typing command, the new document. Now with using the verbal commands, you can also beautify your document. You can format the document the way you need it. Select all. Italics. Bold. So you will really enjoy this new Google Voice app. The voice typing command can also be used in the notes of Google. See, I am clicking on the notes. I'll click on the microphone. Technology is very useful in e-teaching learning process. So you have seen that in these notes also, if you have all language facilities, then you can dictate and have the notes ready for your teaching learning process. So today I showed you the new app Google Voice and the features. It supports the languages also, and you can format the document also with verbal commands. It will definitely reduce your keyboard stress in typing work and make teaching learning process more enjoyable.